Ba, ba, dun, dun. Okay, so it's almost cleared out. I have some stuff from my primary job right over here that I'm holding for him until we get a permanent storage state. This mower is going to be heading off to storage in my shed, and this will be gone. This bike is going to go up for sale because I just don't have room for it anymore, but it's this. And for those of you that know anything about this, I also have paperwork that proves it. Straight from Vance and Hines. Yes. So, anyway, and that's my new toilet for my bathroom. Yes, I'm getting myself a new toilet because the other toilet bowl is about... I swore, and the toilet is too small that we currently have, and this is the one that's going to replace it. There's the Target top to the red Corvette, and it's plexiglass. Like I said, things got moved, resituated. That freezer ended up staying up here because it made more sense. And then this is all going away. That's all going away. That's staying, but they're being moved over there. And that'll free up more than enough room to get the Corvette in here. In fact, I can put the Corvette here and still have the motorcycle. All right, I can put the Corvette here and still have the motorcycle. I'll just turn it sideways over there. All right. So, yeah, things have shaped up and come about, and this is pretty good. Woo! I'm happy, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.